Watch this. Here it goes. Are you kidding me? Oh, this ain't good, Mark. Look at this. I mean, these ain't no little sticks, man. And it's like, no, look here. That's like a full tree, almost. Look at that. I've cut all this down in no time. Watch this. Guys, very impressed with this. Comes with 2 batteries. Hardale, watch this. Look what I've already cut down. Look at this thing. You don't understand. Like, I'm gonna be able to trim all this down. So thank you for sending this. Links down there.